Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Hilux Extra Cab SR cab chassis. Stock reference number 4621. This shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and both sides. It's fitted with aftermarket 16-inch black tracks, Sunraysia-style steel rims, sold as a set. All of them have average tyres. Aftermarket AMA alloy tray, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Aftermarket TAG towbar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Set of 16-inch aftermarket black tracks, Sunraysia-style steel mags with average tyre. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch Sunraysia black tracks. Aftermarket Sunraysia-style rim with an average tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type, central Loctite. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.